Hey guys, how's it going? It's been forever, huh? Look at this, little garage update, channel update I figured I'd give you guys. I know it's been forever, but I got tons of videos that I got a backlog of that I'm gonna start putting together. And as you can see, new car right here. It's a 2019 Bentley Bentayga. We still have the BMW X5 too, and the Cayenne. Well, I guess it's been a while, you probably don't even know. Our X7 got stolen, sold the Vet. My Cayenne, the black one with the gold wheels that I made all those exhaust videos on, totaled. My brother's Hellcat, stolen. And my mom's GLE 450, which I didn't even make a video on because we only had it a year, was totaled. I know it's been a while, but I really want to get back into this, and I have, like I said, tons of videos on just different drives, car shows, like travel videos. Tons of stuff I can make videos on. Trusty Hummer is still going strong. Has had a couple batteries over the years, obviously. She's getting some good use. 65,000 miles on her. Oh, you guys probably don't even know. This is a blue Cayenne, platinum. We got shortly before my Cayenne got totaled. So this has been mine lately. Since then, pretty much the same exact thing. It has the air suspension though, which is cool. It's the platinum edition, so it has everything that comes with that. But yeah, no plans to do anything to the Bentayga, probably just tint the windows. Obviously, I'll do an in-depth tour at some point. Still learning the Bentayga a little bit, but I can show you inside. I think you guys will like this for sure. Just like our Dizinho Mercedes was white on white. Here we have this gorgeous diamond cross-stitched linen and imperial blue with the Madrona wood. Yeah, just decided to make this video to, I don't know, just give a little update. Tell you guys I'm back. I'm gonna try to be a little consistent now. Hopefully some of you are still around. And while we're at it, while we're here, might as well give a little start up to the Bentley, right? Listen to that good old 4-liter V8 that's in like every single Volkswagen Group SUV. There's the start-stop button. Nice 22-inch wheels. Let me know what you guys want to see, especially on the Bentayga. You know, when we were buying this car, I was looking up videos obviously on it, trying to learn it, and there really is not much out there. So anything at all you guys want to see, let me know. I'd be happy to make video on this to not only, I mean, it's fun for me, but also just to help out people out there. Like I did on my previous Cayenne, I still get people hitting me up for what I did on my exhaust and everything, and wanting to know the details so they can do the same. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little update video, and I hope you guys look forward to the content coming soon. You know, I still have like an old Corvette in-depth video to post from like years ago. I have some Hellcat content, a bunch of content on the Porsche, and just different supercars and car shows I've been to, and drives, rallies, stuff like that. Again, the last time, let me know what you guys want to see on these cars. If you want to see what's coming, please subscribe. That's it for now. Look forward to the content coming soon, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.